Hello everyone, my name is Khatija and today I'm going to explain you about universe. What is universe? Everything that we can think of and everything else that exists all belongs to the universe. From the grains of sand to tall buildings. From the particles of dust to giant stars and planets. From microscopic bacteria to people. All are the part of universe. It even includes empty space. The universe is unimaginable vast. Billions of kilometers wide. Distances in the universe are so great that we have to use a special measure to record them. This is a light year, or the distance that light moves, which moves at a speed of about 300,000 km per second. The nearest star to the Earth after the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light years away from the most distant objects we know in the universe. Are more than 13 billion light years away from the Earth. Nearly all the matter in the universe is contained in galaxies, immense masses of stars, gas, and dust. They may see about 100 billion galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars. Galaxies are grouped into giant clouds of galaxies. Galaxies are grouped into giant clouds of galaxies called superclusters. These are spread around the universe like a net made up of strings and knots. In between there are gigantic empty spaces. The superclues are themselves made up of smaller clusters of galaxies. One of these, a cluster of 30 galaxies, also is called the local group. It contains the Milky Way galaxy, the vast spiral of stars to which our own local star, the Sun, belongs. Astronomers have discovered that all galaxies are rushing away from one another. This means that a long time ago they were once all close together. So the universe had a definite beginning and may not have an end. About 1 billion years after the Big Bang, the clouds of gas started to form into galaxies. Matter inside the galaxies went on coupling together until the stars were created. Our own Sun was born in this way. 5 billion years ago, its family of planets, including our Earth, was formed from the debris spinning round the infant Sun. With the billions and billions of years and planets forming in the same way across the universe, it seems almost certain that life was have also evolved elsewhere. Will we on Earth one day make contact with these alien life forms? The expansion of universe is slowly down. Some astronomers think that gravity may eventually bring the expansion to a halt. Then collapse all matter once more to a single point in a big crunch. Others believe that there is not enough material in the universe to do this and the universe will carry on expanding forever. Yes, universe can expand. Universe can expand. Okay, now I'm going to explain you about Big Bang. Many astronomers believe that universe began life in a single moment. Even this was incredibly hot, dense explosion called the Big Bang. This took place about 15 billion years ago. During this explosion, all matter, energy, space, and time itself were created. In the first few millions of a second, the particles that made up atoms that build blocks of matter were formed. It took about 100,000 years for the first atom those of the gases hydrogen and helium to come together. By this time, the searing heat of the Big Bang had cooled space and expanded